You think your day's bad? I've seen folks in the abyss, tonight's tale. A disposal screen and a rookie's kitchen crisis.
Got a midnight call, it's making a click, click, bang. The customers panic, there's soup in the tank. I crack the cabinet, flashlight in teeth, and find a spoon, a Lego, and a rotten beef wreath. You can't dispose a coconut shell? I groan her chicken bones, or is that a cell phone? She cried, but the ad said heavy duty grind. I said, lady, even steel can't digest mankind. Dispose or grind. You're choking on the sins of humankind. I'll Allen wrench your soul, reset your fate, but next time just use a damn compost gate. The motor's humming like a trapped swamp beast. The sink's half full and the smell's deceased. I hit the red button, manual override, but the impeller's wedged with pride and a french fries hide. She says, can't you just shake it? I laugh till I cry. Ma'am, this ain't a maraca, it's a tool, not a guy. 2 hours later, blade's finally free. She asked, do you charge extra for aromatherapy? Repeat after me, folks. Eggshells okay, grease no way. Pasta expands, avocado pits betray. And if you drop a ring down there, congrats, it's divorce day. God plays his lows of grind. You're choking on the sins of humankind. I saved your sink, but my sanity's thin. Next time, call before you toss your wedding ring in. Your disposal's wailing like a banshee's last stand. Don't you dare YouTube it, just call a pro, damn it. Keep it clean and clean, keep it lean, and for all things holy, due to a fear mother-in-law's ravioli. Good kind of sex stain, yes.